Hello everyone, this is Priyanshi Desai. I hope all of you are doing well. Now, the due date of filing GSTR 3B of September 2021, that is 20th October 2021 is about to come. So what are the important steps which has to be taken before filing GST return of September 2021? In the earlier video, I had discussed about reconciliation of outward supplies of financial year 2021 and furnishing details of credit note of financial year 2021. In this video, I will discuss another two important steps which you have to take before filing GST 3B of September 2021. These steps are relating to availment of input tax credit and payment of GST on RCM basis. First thing which I will discuss is reconciliation of input tax credit of financial year 2021. What is the purpose of doing such reconciliation? Why such reconciliation has to be done? अगर आपने फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2021 में किसी इनवॉइसेस पे क्रेडिट लेना क्लेम करना भूल गए, मतलब यू आर एलिजिबल टू क्लेम सच क्रेडिट बट यू फेल टू क्लेम सच क्रेडिट इन 3B filed for financial year 2021. So how we will able to find out such invoices? By doing such reconciliation. So the purpose of doing such reconciliation is to identify such invoices. Now you want to claim such credit which has been left out to be claimed. How you can claim it? What is the last date to claim the input tax credit of financial year 2021? As per section 16(4) of CGST Act 2017, the last date to claim input tax credit of financial year 2021 is the due date of filing 3B of September 2021, that is 20th October 2021, or date on which you have filed annual return for financial year 2021. We are assuming that still you have not filed the annual return of financial year 2021. So, the effective last date to claim input tax credit of financial year 2021 is 20th October 2021. इसका ये मतलब है कि while filing 3B of September 2021, you can still claim the input tax credit of financial year 2021 which you have left to be claimed. But very important, 3B of September 2021 is the last chance to claim such credit. इस रिटर्न के बाद you will not be able to claim input tax credit of financial year 2021. So this reconciliation and identifying of invoices on which you have not claimed input tax credit has to be done before filing 3B of September 2021. और आपको September 2021 का 3B 20th October 2021 तक फाइल कर देना है. अगर आपने 20th अक्टूबर के बाद फाइल किया अपना 3B तो आप फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2021 का इनपुट टैक्स क्रेडिट क्लेम नहीं कर सकते. सपोज आपने 3B 21 अक्टूबर को फाइल किया और उस 3B में आपने 2021 का क्रेडिट क्लेम भी किया होगा, देन ऑल्सो सच क्रेडिट इज नॉट एडमिसिबल. क्यों? क्योंकि आपने ड्यू डेट तक 3B फाइल नहीं किया. सो इट इज वेरी क्रूशियल टू फाइल 3B ऑफ सितंबर 2021 within 20th October so as to claim input tax credit of financial year 2021. Now, as I said कि you have to do reconciliation of input tax credit. While doing reconciliation, you will identify probable errors which you might committed while claiming credit. What are those kinds of errors? First kind of error is eligible ITC is not claimed by you. Means you are eligible to claim input tax rate but still you have failed. आप भूल गए 3B में claim करने के लिए. Second error क्या हो सकती है कि you have claimed ITC on which you are not eligible. You are ineligible to claim as per GST laws but still you have claimed. So what is the action plan to rectify first kind of error? Means you have failed to claim eligible ITC. So what is the action plan? You have to reconcile 3B versus 2A 2B. आपको क्या रिकंसिलेशन करना है? रिकंसिलेशन ऑफ इनपुट टैक्स क्रेडिट claimed in 3B of financial year 2021 with the input tax credit auto populated in your 2A 2B of financial year 2021. By doing such reconciliation, you will identify two kinds of errors. First error, invoice is auto populated in 2A 2B but credit is not claimed in 3B of 2021. This means there is underreporting of input tax credit in 3B of 2021 as compared to 2A 2B of 2021. मतलब जितनी क्रेडिट 2A 2B में ऑटो पॉपुलेट हो रही है उतनी क्रेडिट आपके 2021 के 3B में नहीं हुई है. क्यों? क्योंकि आपने फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2021 में कुछ इनवॉइसेस पे क्रेडिट क्लेम करना 3B में रह गया है आपसे और आप वो अभी क्लेम करना चाहते हो. सो ये एरर्स आपको कैसे पता चलेगी? ये रिकंसिलेशन करने से. सो व्हाट इज द एक्शन प्लान फॉर डूइंग सच काइंड ऑफ एरर्स? यू हैव टू क्लेम सच लेफ्ट आउट क्रेडिट while filing 3B of September 2021 and mind me 3B has to be filed within 20th October 2021 to rectify this kind of error. Then second kind of error क्या हो सकती है कि invoice is not auto populated in 2A 2B but you have claimed credit in your 3B. How this error might have happened? You have purchased raw material from your supplier under a tax invoice on which GST has been charged from you and you have correctly claimed such credit in your 3B, but such invoice is not auto-populated. Why? Because your supplier has not reported that tax invoice in his GSTR1 filed for financial 2021. Because of this, that invoice is not auto-populated in 2A 2B. So there is a mismatch in your 2A 2B with the 3B. How you can rectify it? आप अपने suppliers को inform करना होगा कि वो अपने GSTR1 में वो इनवॉइस रिपोर्ट कर दे ताकि आपके 2A 2B में वो ऑटो पॉपुलेट हो जाए और जो भी मिसमैच हो 2A 2B में 3B के साथ वो मिसमैच रिजॉल्व हो जाए. देन सेकेंड काइंड ऑफ रिकंसिलेशन इज reconciliation of input tax credit accounted in your books of accounts with 3B. Why such reconciliation has to be done? It might have happened that the input tax credit which have claimed in your books of accounts, which have accounted in your books of accounts maintained for 2021, but you have not reported it in 3B. So still you have chance to claim it in the 3B of September 2021. Then for the second kind of error, what is the second kind of error which I talked about? That is reversal of ineligible input tax credit. See, there is a section 17(5) of CGST Act. It lists down certain goods and services in respect of which input tax credit will not be available to you, even if such goods and services are used in the course of making outward supplies. So in other words, input tax credit in respect of goods and services specified in section 17(5) is blocked. Now what are those goods and services? You have claimed the credit on such goods but you are not eligible, still you have claimed. So what you have to do? You have to reverse such input tax credit while filing 3B of September 2021. Reversal means you have to pay such input tax credit through electronic cash ledger. Now what are those specified goods and services? First, motor vehicle used for transportation of person. Means input tax credit is blocked in respect of motor vehicle which you intend to use for transportation of persons. But such input tax credit will be blocked only when the approved seating capacity of such motor vehicle is not more than 13 persons, including the driver. But in certain circumstances, input tax credit will be available in respect of motor vehicle. First situation, if such you have purchased such motor vehicle for the further supply to your customer, then you will be eligible to claim input tax credit and it will not be blocked in section 17(5) and you need not to reverse the input tax credit. Second situation, you have purchased such motor vehicle for the purpose of imparting training to your customer. आप एक ड्राइविंग स्कूल चला रहे हो और आपने मोटर व्हीकल परचेस की फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ सच ड्राइविंग स्कूल. So you can claim no need to reverse such ineligible input tax credit. And third situation might have happened कि you have using for such motor vehicle for transportation of passenger and the approved sitting capacity is more than 13 person, then you can claim the input tax credit. Then second type of goods and services, input tax credit is blocked in respect of services of insurance, premium, servicing, repairs and maintenance relating to motor vehicle used for transportation of person. Then input tax credit is blocked in respect of works contract services which you are using for construction of an immovable property other than plant and machinery. So if you claim input tax credit on such works contract services, then you need to reverse it because it is blocked. Then input tax credit in respect of goods or services received and used for construction of immovable property other than plant or machinery is blocked. Then input tax credit in respect of goods or services used for personal consumption is ineligible to be availed. So you cannot claim it. If you claim, then you have to reverse it. Then input tax credit in respect of goods lost, stolen, destroyed or written off is ineligible. You cannot claim such input tax credit. And then the input tax credit in respect of goods disposed of by way of gift or free sample. आपने अपने कस्टमर को गिफ्ट दे दी, दिवाली पे एम्प्लॉयज को गिफ्ट्स दे दी, then you cannot claim input tax credit on the goods given by way of gifts or free samples. Then input tax credit in respect of services like food and beverages, outdoor catering, beauty treatment, health services and cosmetic and plastic surgery, you cannot claim on this service, you cannot claim input tax credit on these services. So this is for that's all for this video. In the another video I will discuss on reversal of on the payment of GST on RCM basis. Thank you.